Hi, superstars! Welcome to Happy Learning Land. Today we're exploring the exciting orange letter E. E says fish. E says Can you say it with us? E. E at the beginning. Elephant. Elephant. Trumpet, trumpet. E. E-eagle. Eagle. Screech, screech. E can be in the middle. B-E-D. Bed. Night, night. E can be in the middle. R-E-D. Red. So bright. Let's write E. Top line, straight down, middle line, bottom line. Excellent, E. You can read. Elephant, eagle, bed, red. Amazing job! E, elephant, trumpet, trumpet. Eagle, screech, screech. B-E-D, bed, night, night, sweet. R-E-D, red, bright and neat. E, orange and so bright. Letter E is pure delight. Great job, superstars! You learned elephant, eagle, bed, and red. See you next time for letter F.